good day, fellow student of Adesoya Polytechnic. Following the current notice on our notice board, Directorate of ICT for all students to register their courses online with this particular link, and then due to this information, I've been getting some complaints from students who are unable to, to register their courses. So that's why I'm doing this short video, so that you can see how it's being done. So this is the link to the site. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the website in which you are going to register your So once you get to this point, you put in your matric number here, and then your surname, and you choose your department. As you can see, you choose your department. I'm in business administration, so I'm Department of Business Administration. Then you log in. So it's going to verify your payment, and then you proceed to registration. So once you proceed to registration, you select your program and level. So if you are in full time, you select full time ND1. If you are in ND2 and you are full time, you select full time ND2. And then likewise for HND and HND2, then they part-time students for ND1 and ND2. Please don't select ND3 part-time, select ND1 or ND2, please. So I'm ND2 full-time, so I'm selecting ND2 full-time. So for semester, select current semester, which is second semester present, then proceed to course registration. Then when I get to course registration here, you see something like total units of registration summary. So you scroll down, then you see your courses there already. So what you just need to do is to cross check if these courses haven't cross checked that these courses are the courses you did. If you find out that there's any course here that if there's any course that is here that you didn't, there are some courses that, like SLT for example, there are some courses that they offered but it's not on their portal. And then if the course is not still here, you can add manually. Then you need to just add the number of course and then generate the field, then you get it from there. But this is for carryover students also, maybe HND or HND2 or ND2. If you have any carryover for second semester, you click here, you add how many carryover you have, and then generate field, and then it brings out the number of course code for you. But I don't have carryover, so I close manual. So you come over after you after you have confirmed all your courses are correct. Then you scroll up and come over here. You see something, this green button, save registration. You click on save registration and you wait for it to load. So it brings up your picture like this: registration successful, your course registration for ND2 full time second semester has been completed, total course units registered 28. I showed you earlier that it was showing 0, but now it's now 28. So you scroll down, and then you scroll down to printing course form. So you wait for it to load. Please try to follow this process, and please, if you are faced with any issue, please endeavor to reach out to me. endeavor to reach out to me. I'll be calling out my WhatsApp number now so that you can reach out to me. 08138329701, 08138329701, and my calling line is 09135972041, 09135972041. So you come over here and download PDF. So this is how it's going to be. So my dear fellow students, please do well to follow these processes and off you go. So the file is downloaded, so let's open and see how it is. So this is how it is. So please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and if you already subscribed, do well to like this video, share with other students, and don't keep the informations to yourself. Please, let's do this before it's too late. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying with me to this time. I love you all. Do have a lovely week ahead.